Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the avatar filter on TikTok. I'm talking about this one. Sorry, I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike. Anyway, to do this, what you have to do, you need to install CapCut. Okay, this is CapCut. Install this app. Once you open, you will see the screen. Here on the top, you have a search bar. Here, search for avatar filter, face Navi. Okay, many templates are there. You can go with the first one. I did also with the first one. Okay, to use this template, just tap on use template. You have to select a picture. Okay, let me go with the picture. Let's see the preview. If you like the outcome, you can hit export. If you didn't like the outcome, what you can do, just discard this and tap on use template again. Select picture. Once you are okay with the output, you can hit export and you can share it to TikTok. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this avatar filter trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.